question now, we go like this. You see, that is not every time that your question will be straightforward. The first question I did, we asked to find the amount or the sum of future value. That SUC means the sum, the amount of future value. At times, you may be given the lump sum. Are you with me? The lump sum. Then you'll be asked to calculate probably your R. So for me to interpret that second question, that money that they want to accumulate, the money that wants to be accumulated is 1.5 billion. And that will now stand for our what? Will stand for our SN. Our SN is 1,500,000. See, in finance, they normally give their figures like this 1.5 M. They will not write in full. Please, you have to write this figure in full. 1.5 million is 1,500,000. You don't have to write all those things. So that is by the side. Then the rate we are given from the question, rate is 14%. And 14% is 14 all over 100. When we convert, we are going to have 0.14. Then again, what again are we given? We are given our N to be 5 years. And the thing was done what? It was done semi-annually. Semi-annually, that means our N will be 2. Our N will be 2. So what you do is know how to interpret question on finance. They know the formula to use. Now I will be compiling the necessary formulas or formulae you need in your statistics and your finance, which I'm going to compile together. I'm already working on them. Then I'll give to us so that you can master all the formula before enter exam hall. Now, I will now insert all those values. Don't forget, we are going to use the second formula for multiple compounding. And that formula says that future value is given by Sn equals to R into 1 plus R over M raised to power Nm minus 1 all over R over M. Let's now insert. This R we are asked to find, the regular deposit. So what's our Sn now? 1,500,000 equals to R, which we are looking for, open bigger bracket, 1 plus, what's my rate? That is 0.14 all over, what's our N? M is 2. Then raised to power N. What's our N? That is 5 times 2 minus 1. All over, what's our R? R is what? R is also 0.14 all over what? All over 2. Then I'll say 1,500,000 equals to R. Then it equals to R. Then open bracket. We have 1 plus. Divide this by 2. We're going to have 0.07. 5 times 2 gives us 10 minus 1 all over this divided by this we have 0.07. At the end of the day, I'm going to have 1,500,000 equals to R. Add this plus is going to have 1.07 raised to power 10 minus 1 all over 0.07. So 1,500,000 will now be R. Then open bracket, this raised to power 10 will give us 1.9671. 971 minus 1 all over 0.07. Then at the end of the day, our 1,500,000 will now be equal to, let me even write the full figure of this so that we can get the perfect answer. 9671 51 3 51 19671 551 35729 minus 1. When you punch calculator, 1.07 raised to power 10 gives us it. Let's add the whole figure so I can get the perfect answer. R. When this subtract this from this, we're going to have 0.967151355729 divided by what? 0.07. So at the end of the day, how do you now get the final answer? I will say 1,500,000 will now be R. Divide this by this. We are going to have 13.8164 47 96 96129. And therefore, our R will be gotten by dividing this by this. So it will now be 1,500,000 divided by this number, 13.81644796196129. When we divide, our final answer will now be equals to 108,566.25 kobo. And that's the final answer.